This is the Normal Distribution Interactive Calculator, which solves probability and statistical problems using the normal distribution curve. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a drop-down for Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate probability area under curve, find x value from percentile, calculate z-score, calculate probability for interval, find critical value inverse normal, and standardize to z-distribution. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Probability. Next is the tail type dropdown with 3 options. Left tail x less than or equal to value, right tail x greater than or equal to value, and two-tailed symmetric. I've selected left tail. The input fields are mean m, standard deviation s, x value, percentile 0-100, upper x value, and probability 0-1. Here's our example. With mean 100, standard deviation 15, and x value 115, clicking Calculate gives us these results. The z-score is 1/1000, showing our value is exactly 1 standard deviation above the mean. The probability is 0.841345, meaning 84.13% of values fall below 115. The percentile confirms this at 84.13%, and the x value shows 115,000. This calculator streamlines normal distribution calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.